So, in this video, I will guide you step by step on how to download and install Infinity Nikki on your PC. Let's get started. First, open the link provided in the description of this video. Once the page loads, click on Windows Download. Wait for the installer to finish downloading. Now, double-click the downloaded installer file. A pop-up will appear. Click Yes. Accept the terms and conditions, then click Install Now. After the installation, press Run Now. The game launcher will open. Click on Download Now, choose your preferred installation folder, and press OK. Next, you might see a prompt to download and install a feature. Click Download and Install to proceed. Once the download is complete, launch Infinity Nikki. Accept the terms and conditions. Now either create a new account or log in with your existing one. That's it. You're all set to play Infinity Nikki on your PC. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.